Hello and welcome, racers, to Brick Breaker Racing. We got a great one for you today. Let's find out who our first racer is. It's the Steamroller. This thing's not just off-road, it makes the road. Let's see how she does in the race. Should be interesting. Here it comes right in the middle of the track. Oh, jumps the line right away. And it's having trouble staying on the track. Looks like it's going to go on the inside. Got a little bounce of the beat. Today we got a light show, we got a steady beat to keep the flow going. Steamroller hopping the line, looks like he's going to sit there, and meanwhile we're going to add another racer. Let's see what's going to be. It's the forklift. Man, we got a construction tempo going. This industrial mover, don't be fooled by its looks, it's quick. Let's see how she does. Speeding up a little bit and getting added to the field right in the middle. Got a little bit of a wobble, set it in next to the Steamroller. Just a couple workers off to the job. Speed it up even a little bit more. We're going to add another racer. It's the Shaggin' Wagon. This heavy hitter packs a punch. We've seen it before. Should prove to be interesting with these light, fast racers on the track with it. Let's see what happens. And a second now, it's going to come in. There it is. Sitting on the outside of the track, a little bit of a bounce. Oh, and there goes the forklift. And the Steamroller. Let's get a replay of that. Forklift can't handle the turbulence. Topples over and goes flying. This thing may be tough, but it wasn't built to last on a hit like that. So let's see what happens. You can see we got a bounce. The forklift can't take the turbulence, topples over and goes flying into the bricks. Boom! Busting a lot of pieces. That means his race is over. Meanwhile, the Steamroller jumps the line, flips on its side. We're gonna see how that turns out. Bam! Well, thanks for racing, forklift. We'll see you next time. Meanwhile, back to the race. Forklift getting a reset, going in behind the Shaggin' Wagon this time. Can't see him, but trust, it's there. Speeding up a little bit more. We're going to probably add another racer here soon. Get a little more speed on the track. Wasting no time getting up there. Next racer is the Joker. This cackling bad guy driving the Joker mobile. Looks like a hot rod, and man, this thing is fast. Probably won't be seeing Batman today. He's in retirement for the moment, but Joker settled in right next to the Shaggin' Wagon. Got a good formation going on the outside of the track. Speeding up a little bit more. Steady as a rock. I'm gonna add another racer. Let's see who it is. Ooh, the RV. Driven by Todd Dingleberry and family, taking time off their vacation to come race. And this thing, I know it's built to travel, but let me tell you, it's fast and it's heavy. So it should prove to be interesting. Getting a good bounce, setting up on the middle of the track. Doesn't seem to be disturbing too much as it settles in. Picking up a little bit more speed. We're really getting up there now. Oh, Steamroller decided to switch track, jumps the line. A little bit of bobble, loses the wheel, takes out the RV. Let's get a replay. Got a solid bounce from the RV. Steamroller decides it wants to be seen, jumps to the inside of the line, rams in the RV, jumps the line, flips on its side, loses a wheel, flips up, hits the RV and the Joker, sending them flying off the track, all three. Let's see the damage on that. He could decide, he just said, I want to be out there. Makes a hard left and then a hard right. Flipping on his side, going to pieces. And he's saying, Vamonos, muchachos, let's get out of here. Ooh, lots of pieces. Top coming off the RV, flinging his wife and his baby out. And so there's the wheel. Here comes the rest. Boom! I'd say that's the race for all three of those racers. Looks like the Joker even got ejected. just the Shaggin' Wagon on the lone field, but we're not up to full speed yet, which means our race goes on. Let's see who our next racer's gonna be. Ooh, it's the Night Bus. This magical traveling bus, here to take you to Hogwarts or wherever else you want to go. This thing is top heavy. It's a triple decker, so it should be interesting to see what it adds to the field here. Good bounce, settle in the middle, settle right up next to the Shaggin' Wagon. Two heavy hitters settle on the outside of the track. We got our bus attendant hanging out the back, making sure he doesn't miss any passengers. Meanwhile, we're gonna add another racer. Let's see who it is. It's Mick Spare Parts. Used to be an F1 racer, but now it can just drive whatever he can get his hands on. This car's fast, but it is not stable. Let's see how it does at this high-speed entry. He comes in, settles on the inside, flips it, he's out of here. Just as quick as he's on, he's out. He hits the line, bounces, catches an edge, and he's just gone, hitting the bricks with some force. Let's get a look at the damage. You see, he comes in, he's riding the side, bounce, little turn, can't take it, and he's out of here, bouncing off of the field, which means that's his race. Just for a quick hello and then a goodbye. Leaving on the field, just the Night Bus and the Shaggin' Wagon, so we're gonna add another racer, see what happens. Ooh, it's a Wagoneer. The Griswolds driving their premium wood panel Wagoneer. Also taking time off their vacation to have a race. Nothing like a good competition. Family friendly. Oh, let's get a replay of that. Settles in the track, immediately banks right. We can't see, but it hits the wall and then flies off into the bricks. Let's get overhead. It cuts right, bam. Can't take the hop, turns around and hits the wall, shattering the car. That means their race is over. A lot of quick in-outs today with our racers. They just cannot keep up with the bus and the Shaggin' Wagon. But we're not full speed yet, and our race isn't over, so let's see what we get next. Ooh, the Cybertruck. Driven by your friendly neighborhood Terminator. This thing is from the future. It's really unstable, so let's see how it goes entering in the track. I imagine he's gonna have some trouble staying on line, and immediately hops the line, flips over, ejecting the Terminator and the top, trying to get a soft reset. Getting tangled up in the line, just can't seem to get a hold of the track, flipping again. And again, another reset, takes out the Night Bus, and they go flying into the bricks. Let's get a replay. He just cannot hang. Get a barrel roll, ejecting himself. Official decides to give him another try. Our poor Terminator just getting his face scraped by the road. Just dropped in head first. Tangled up. Getting another reset. Jumps the line again. Cuts right. And again, gets another reset. Tags the bus, hits him right in the carrier, and then they both go flying. He was trying to hang on for dear life, but the bus said, nope, we're out of here, buddy. Look at that. Oh, we'd love to see that destruction. Here comes that second reset. And here comes a third reset. And a fourth reset. Man, this guy getting special treatment. Tags the bus right in the rear corner. Boom, and they hit the bricks and send them into pieces. Man, what a hit. Let's get a closer look at that damage. Boom, man, that Cybertruck got hit right in the face. Night Bus getting broken into pieces again, leaving the Shaggin' Wagon alone in the field. But we're not full speed and our race isn't over. We're kicking it up there. gonna get a resurrection. Let's see who it is. It's the Steamroller, and he's out of here. Yet another racer. Can't seem to get onto the track. So let's get a fresh one in here. Ooh, it's a golf cart. A new addition of the racer. This pint-sized pack-a-punch. Used for on the golf course. Let's see how he does on the track. Should be pretty quick. He gets on, he goes left, he goes right. Left again, he's on the side, and he's out of here. Really couldn't deal with the speed. But he tries. Nonetheless, and goes flying. Let's get it overhead. Boom, hits a shaggin' wagon. Doesn't even notice. Bounces off the line again and goes flying into the bricks. And guess what? We're full speed, so that's our race. And you know what that means. Our winner is the Shaggin' Wagon. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check it out next time on Brick Breaker Racing.